Today's word is harmony. Today's look, it's an all matte eyeshadow eye makeup look. No shimmers, just matte, and I use two colors from the Beauty Bay Fiery palette, the 16 pan. My base is the CoverGirl Clean Fresh 200 Rich. That's what I have as my base. My bronzer is the Le Mercerie, and this is a Dollar Tree bronzer. I put it everywhere because it's beautiful. My lip combo is this lip liner and this lip color. It's a lipstick. And this lipstick that I got from my ice cream box. I'm filming in natural light, one window, and it's open, and this is the light I am getting from it. No artificial light, only natural light. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you kindly. You are always welcome here on this channel, and you are loved. Harmony. Be in harmony with yourself. Learn and understand who you truly are, what you like, what you don't like. Don't like it because somebody else like it because you like it. As we get older in age, let us try to stay active. Challenge yourself to do 5 or 10 minutes of walking around the house. 10 steps every hour or 5 steps every hour is also good. A little movement is all you need to get motivated to do more. Filming in natural light. Just the window, the sun is shining, and the camera. That's it. I am going to create a colorful matte look with no shimmers for the people who don't like shimmers or anything sparkly. So this is an all matte eyeshadow eye look. I have a white base on so it can pop. I need the colors to pop when I am doing colorful looks. So I use a white base. A skin tone base will not make it pop, but a white base will bring out the color. So this eyeshadow eye makeup all matte look tutorial is for the person who does not like shimmers. Always remember you are first. Love yourself plenty. Take care of yourself. Do not give up on yourself. And make sure you take care of your health. Health is wealth. You might not have a lot of money, but if you have your health, you are in good shape. Because the less doctors you have to go to, the less medication you have to take, and the better you will feel. First color down. Gorgeous. This color is pretty. I am using the Beauty Bay Fiery palette today. This one right here. Please remember to move around today. Even though it's 10 steps you do every hour. Stand up and do 10 steps every hour, and that's where you start. If you can do 5 steps every hour, that's good too, but keep on moving. As we age, we need to stay active. We don't have to be running up and down if we cannot. But even though it's 5 to 10 steps every hour, that will count for something. Don't think because it's a little bit, it doesn't count. It counts. So do it and stay encouraged. Today's word is harmony. Harmony. Are you in harmony with yourself? And I always ask you about yourself first, because whenever we do something, we have to remember self is first. Self love before you can give it to someone else. Do you have it for yourself? That's why I always ask you to consider self first, because we sometimes give more than we have to others. So that is why I always ask you to do self first. Harmony. Are you in harmony with yourself? If not, today's the day to start. Be in harmony with self. Be in harmony with nature. Be in harmony with people. The more harmony you are in, the more peaceful you will be within. Harmony brings peace. You don't have to buy harmony. You just have to be in harmony. It is something you can be. You don't have to buy it. You don't have to go to the store and look for it. You don't have to go outside of you to look for it. You just have to go within. Sit still in harmony. Harmonious feelings. Harmonious thoughts. Harmonious life. I know you're listening to this and saying, it's not that easy. I know. It's not that easy. It takes years of practicing. But if you keep practicing, you will have it. You won't have everything one time, but you will have some of it. Practice. That's all you have to do. Practice to be harmonious. Sometimes all you have to do is just sit quiet and let your mind just wander wherever it wants to go. And just see where it's taking you. And you will see a difference. Just sit still and your mind will go good, bad, positive, negative. I mean, it will just roam. And you gotta catch it. Like, oh, I noticed this. Oh, I noticed that. You know, you don't have to, you can say it loud if you want, but you wanna notice and see when it's taking you in the negative path or on the positive path. Because with positivity, you'll have harmony. With negativity, you'll have sadness and sorrow. And those things come when there's an accident or, something terribly goes wrong. That's human nature. Those things will happen. On a day-to-day, you need to strive for harmony. Have a harmonious, positive outlook on your life. I love you always, and I will see you soon. Bye. Today's look again. All matte eyeshadow eye makeup look.